Wheaton Worldwide Move.
Took forever, didn't it?
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Shelby County, western Hancock County, northeastern Morgan County, northern Johnson County, Marion County, southeastern Hamilton County, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Speedway to near Southport to 7 miles west of Greenwood, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Palmcroft, Rocky Ripple, Windale, Spring Hill, Crow's Nest, North Crow's Nest, and Indiana State Fairgrounds around 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Beech Grove, Viridian Hills, Broad Ripple, and Monument Circle around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Greenwood, Southport, Warren Park, and Castleton around 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Geist Reservoir around 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Indianapolis, Fishers, Lawrence, Cumberland, McCordsville, Fort Hill, New Palestine, and Spring Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 98 and 120. Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 202. Interstate 70 between mile markers 72 and 99. Interstate 74 between mile markers 73 and 103. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hamilton, Hancock, Johnson, Marion.
Cut itself off.